Hello student, let us see the problem number 94. Buffer capacity of acid buffer solution is more when. So when it will be more student, so that is buffer capacity will be more will be in the case of first when pKa is equal to pH, because that is pH is equal to what student? That is pKa plus log what is student, that is log concentration of salt upon acid. Okay, salt upon acid. So it is the pH is equal to proportional to pKa. So if it is equal, okay, so it will be the having the highest. So buffer capacity of acid buffer solution is more when the pK is equal to pH, and also if you salt concentration equal to acid, so that is we can write that is pH is equal to that is pKa plus concentration of what, that is the log we can write that is salt concentration 1 and acid concentration 1. So we can write that is pH is equal to pKa plus log 1 value 0. So this will be the highest, buffer capacity will be highest. pKa 7, that is wrong. H plus ion concentration, this is also wrong. So correct option is A and B. Let us read out the slides student. Buffer capacity is a measure of the efficiency of buffer in resisting the change in pH. The buffer capacity is expressed as the amount of strong acid or base in gram equivalents that must be added to 1 liter of the solution to change its pH by 1 unit. The buffer capacity depends essentially on two factors. First one, the ratio of the salt and acid, ratio of salt to the acid or base. The buffer capacity is optimum when the ratio is 1:1, that is pH is equal to pKa. So buffer capacity is maximum. Total buffer concentration, for example, it will take more acid or base to deplete a 0.5 molar buffer than a 0.05 molar buffer, that is salt concentration equal to acid concentration. The condition given option C and D will not affect the buffer capacity of the solution. So C, D will not affect. So our correct answer is A and B. So correct option is option number 3. Thank you so much for watching, dear student.